Katleho, I think if we're going to really end gender-based violence, we must end it where it starts. It shouldn't be ended when action such as rape or murder takes place. I'm regarding this because last year in November, together with the Human Science Research Council, we have released a report that have actually shown high levels of gender-based violence incident, but where they also emanate because we've normalized soft violence, we've normalized emotional, online, and various other nuances of violence, and we don't prevent it, we don't stop it. And this is why actually when you listen to Mr. Mukwebo's utterances, which has always been a problem in the public, there's an outcry, such as many other platforms that have joined. So that's why we're coming out to say part of ending gender-based violence is.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Minister Isamona uMegji kuthi lapha enkantolo ayotiphendulela mayelana nalo lakhulume angamini dlamini laphana ku podcast enchili yakhe ngalesikhathi and ama remarks ukuthi Megji umini dlamini akekho lucky when it comes to my relationship, bantu nje bahlala bahlukana naye, maybe her cookie smells. So uthi minister kahambe Megji ayokhuluma mayelana naloku lakhulume ngamini dlamini lama remarks lamabi ngendlela lesimanga. So bana abaningi they are bored ke sana bathayibo baze babhoreka nabantu eParliament bahlula nje indaba leti serious. Bantu bayabulala eMzansi, kunema case la serious la ngakasolvwa, bona batonyela Megji batonjwayela nje Megji kabi, bamtshela ukuthi bambitela ini because abadile nema cases la serious. So people are saying ukuthi hayibo thina si behind nje uMegji, like we are 100% behind uMegji, because uMegji akamsukelanga kumini dlamini naye yatselela kuninatselela abo Megji yatselela bokhune. No one said anything about all those things because olokadisho now that tikhalela yena sekuphakama wonke umuntu senithi Megji wrong, hands off uMegji. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.